Welcome to the Tooltos product demo. This presentation introduces the Tooltos 3-in-1 multifunctional wet and dry magnetic polishing centrifugal polishing machine, the ultimate solution for precision polishing. This all-in-one machine combines magnetic polishing, wet polishing, and dry polishing capabilities to meet the diverse needs of jewelers, artisans, and precision parts makers. With its 3 specialized barrels, magnetic for fine polishing, wet for deep cleaning, and dry for finishing, this machine ensures a versatile and efficient polishing experience. The intuitive control panel makes operation simple. Adjust the timer, rotation modes, and speed with ease for precise and efficient polishing. The magnetic polishing function ensures multi-angle grinding, quickly removing rust and burrs while delivering a polished finish to even the smallest details. The wet polishing function deep cleans jewelry and precision parts, making them shine like new. Perfect for removing dirt, oxidation, and surface imperfections. Dry polishing is ideal for finishing touches, providing a smooth and brilliant surface to your workpieces. Designed for versatility, the Tooltos 3-in-1 polishing machine handles gold, silver, copper, stainless steel, and even hard plastics. Achieve professional results across a wide range of materials. With a 6L capacity, 750W power, and a compact design, this machine is built for performance. It comes with everything you need, including 3 barrels, connection tubes, drainage pipes, and more. Operation steps. 1. Assemble the machine by connecting the appropriate barrel and attachments. 2. Add polishing materials and workpieces to the chosen barrel. 3. Start the machine, adjust settings on the control panel for time and rotation. Simple to operate, this machine ensures quick and efficient polishing results with minimal effort. Transform your polishing workflow with the Tooltos 3-in-1 multifunctional polishing machine. Achieve flawless results every time. Order yours today.